Hey there! Today we'll guide you through how to add TikTok sounds in Capcut. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So you want to use TikTok sounds in Capcut? Well, first of all, you need to open up Capcut. Once you're in, you can open any project or the project you want to use the sound in. Make sure nothing is selected in Capcut and head to the bottom, then click on Audio and select Sounds. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the option for TikTok sounds. If you don't see it, just click on the TikTok icon and follow the prompts to link your TikTok account. TikTok will open, and you may need to click another button to complete the process. It's usually quicker if you've done it before. Now, back to TikTok. You need to go and favorite sounds that you want to use in Capcut. Let me show you how. Find a sound you like. Then go to the bottom right of a TikTok video and click on the sound button. Next, click on Add to Favorites. Once you've done that, come back to Capcut. You may need to close off sounds and reopen it again. As you can see, the sound you favorited is now imported. Click on the icon to the right and you'll see a plus icon which you can click on to use the sound. It's that simple. Just remember, some songs may not be shown due to copyright issues, but apart from that, you're good to go.